Okay, so I'm about to try this LED light fitted on the socket on the right side, passenger side. This is for the turn signal light. It's an amber light, so it's quite easy actually. Just put it back in the socket where I got it out from. uh, it's actually in the corner over here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's in that corner up there. Basically it's over here. So what I'm gonna have to do is plug it in like this, and then twist it back in. Yeah, it's twisted back and it's snug. And now I'm gonna try to see if it works. I'll have to engage the turn signal lights to see if that works. Okay. Now that is already a problem because my right mirror I have to replace. It broke, so that error message is about the right mirror. But let's see if it gives me an error message about the turn signal light itself.
Bluetooth mode.
So far nothing. Now it looks like it's hyper flashing, and it's giving me an error too. Turn signal right mirror and turn signal front right. So it's hyper flashing, which means it's probably the resistance is not correct. Let's just go and see if it's actually working, even though it's hyper flashing. Yeah, so it's not even working. And let's see if I put on the emergency lights, if it works then. Actually, and let's see if the emergency lights, if I put those on, it's still complaining about the turn signal front right. Let's see how that looks. So you notice how the right side it works. That's a regular bulb, but the left side doesn't work. It's also possible I got the polarity wrong, but since it's an LED, so I'm going to try a different polarity.